These five are the first one being chakra, directions, and navagrah. Second part is being mudra. Second part being mudra. Third being mantra. Fourth being universal consciousness. Fifth being Mahavidyas. So this part we have completed. Now all those who haven't completed will be sharing the recording in some time. But the prime thing which we discussed is the connection of soul as the basis for Devapashraya Chikitsa. There are 16 elements to it. 5 we have covered. The 6th one we are starting. Okay, so the 6th one being Aushadhi. Now, what does this Aushadhi means? Medicine or something else?
Aushadhi means anything which can relieve you from the ailment you're going through.
Yeah, which
Anything
can
which-
heal. Yeah,
Which can heal.
whatever heal.
Anything
Yeah.
which can heal or maintains homeostasis,
Maintain, alleviate the suffering.
alleviate. So anything. Now, as per Sanskrit, Aushadhi in itself has 3 alphabets in it. Au stands for attraction. Sh stands for speciality or special creation. Dhi stands for Dharana Shakti. For example, how many of you have been to a fragrance shop?
I think all of us.
Banta hai. So in a fragrance shop, they do 2 things. A, they'll put the fragrance on your wrist and ask you to smell it. B, they have a paper stick which they dip in the fragrance and give you to feel the fragrance. Which one you have tried?
Both.
Actually, through the window bada kar lu. I'm unable to see everyone. Is Anne there?
I'm here, Dr. Shukla.
Okay, perfect. So when actually I have minimized my window na, because I have to write also. So that's the reason I couldn't see many people. So when you go to a fragrance shop and they give you a paper stick, you dip that paper stick in fragrance, dipped in the fragrance oil or aroma of that sort, and you smell it, you hold it, then they give you the second one, you again smell it, you hold it. And likewise, they give you 5 sticks with 5 different fragrances, and you are able to compare all the fragrances. The Dharana Shakti, Dhi in Aushadhi, Dharana Shakti is that ability to retain a particular fragrance for a longer duration of time. creativity and special creation is the term associated with Shatkon ka Sh. What does this imply? This implies that a medicine has a special property of creating as well as speciality. How is attracting? So attraction, speciality and creative speciality and creation. And third one is Dharana Shakti. Dharana Shakti is retention. When all
Or in
three,
other sense, immunity
no, not immunity.
in the ailment section.
हाँ,
No,
not immunity. मतलब Dharana Shakti is
memory or sensual ability. How?
So if I put in the preview of Dev Vipassana Chikitsa, I'll say the soul retains the body and mind.
Retaining power.
So it is connected with the retention. So when all these three properties emerge simultaneously, the term is quoted as Aushadhi. These 16 are to be considered as Aushadhi. All 16 possesses the quality of Aushadhi. It is creating attraction, creation, speciality, and retention of properties. Am I able to express myself?
Yeah.
Any doubts? Please put a question so that I can get the confidence that you have understood the concept of Aushadhi. And this is very important part because since it bears three parts, Aushadhi has three parts, that's the reason we have three types of Chikitsa. One is called Dev Vipassana Chikitsa, other is Yukti Vipassana Chikitsa, and third one is Sattva Vijay Chikitsa. Which means, what all do you consider as medicine is Dev Vipassana Chikitsa. The quantity and duration. The quantity and duration is known as Yukti Vipassana Chikitsa. And what thought is making you diseased is known as Sattva Vijay Chikitsa. So when we say Aushadhi, using or trying medicinal plants is not the correct understanding, because here the meaning is connection with the soul. So only plants cannot be considered as a medicine. There is a particular type of asthma which got initiated in early 90s, and the medicine for that is a cockroach soup in China.
Very true.
So that means if a cockroach soup is curing the chronic asthma, in that situation, there are minerals, ingredients, something of that sort, which is there in that soup. That's the reason immediately the health condition improves. See, if I have to survive in the chronic situations, then whatever is a medicine, you should not put a second thought for it. For example, people say we are Vaishnav, we don't take non-veg. if it is necessary for the medicine, if it is necessary for the body to survive in a particular situation, it doesn't matter what is given to you as a medicine. You should not put that part into it.
Survive and function properly.
हाँ, मतलब I can give you many examples. There is a disease called Kala-Azar. Kala-Azar is a disease which is kind of a throat infection which happens and there is a sudden death within less than 24 hours time. It normally happened in areas across the desert area near Jaisalmer in Rajasthan state in India. The medicine was urine of a black donkey. And people were running after the donkey for that part. Whenever he urinates, they will collect and few drops they will give to chronic patient. So medicine can be anything as long as it depends on the seriousness. If there are alternatives, one should always be open-minded for it. Now, for example, chronic mental health condition. Chronic mental health condition may giving them whiskey, scotch, brandy, wine is permissible because that reduces the stress. When I read that part, I said, okay, that makes sense. Because in India, we had a tradition of drinking bhang during holy period. So when somebody is drinking bhang, the technical term is cannabis sativa. That reduces the stress, remove the ambiguities of digestive system disorders, and hence people are very healthy. And only on Holi they drink bhang. Not every day, not every time. So which means the holistic definition of a medicine is very, very essential. Now, if in this process, I feel that throughout my life, I never bowed my head in front of anyone, not even to my parents, then it is a sign of ego. How one should get rid of that ego so that the ego should not make me disease. So I'll go to a temple and worship there and bow my head in the temple. So when I bow my head in the temple, in that situation, I neutralize my ego every time I go there. Am I able to express myself?
Yeah.
If somebody is having chronic back pain, the medicine which was prescribed in China was acupressure and acupuncture. I thought, okay, but in our tradition, how they were doing acupressure and acupuncture, then suddenly I realized going barefoot to the temple was one of the remedy given. So if you go barefoot to a temple and that temple is, let's say, 1.5 or 2 kilometers far from your place and you are going barefoot, the moment you put your feet on the floor, on the road, there are small stones which are hitting your feet and which is a kind of acupressure which is happening. Am I able to express myself? So in any of these situations, how somebody got the idea of a medicine. So if someone says ki acupressure, acupuncture, meridians, so the moment you start putting right questions, you will be able to create a correlation between all the subjects. Now, which approach to take in lowest possible time, that's the medicine yukti. So I have 16 medicine with me. Which one particular to take or many to take is what is to be considered in the Yukti Vipasharaya Chikitsa. Am I able to express myself?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now coming to the seventh one, which is Dhatu Dharan. What is Dhatu Dharan? G, waiting for.
The rejuvenation of the dhatus, 9 dhatus.
Did we covered in class?
No.
Okay, then it is a perfect answer. The rejuvenation of.
Oh, we went through the Oshadhi only.
Right. I now remember because there was one class in which only you and me were there, so that's why. So how
Yeah.
many dhatus we have? As
According to
per
Ayurveda, there
Ayurveda,
is 7. 7.
7. Which all are there?
Mm.
Ras,
Ras, Rakt,
Ras, Rakt,
Mas, Med,
Mass मतलब
Mas, Med,
Med, Asthi, Majja,
मज्जा धातु.
Asthi,
Asti,
Majja, and
Majja,
Shukra.
Shukranu. So 7 are there.
Then Oj is also some of the
Oj is Shukranu
Rishi.
only.
Hmm.
Rom and
Hmm.
Snayu.
Okay.
If you put it 10, then it becomes Nakh also. This is nails, this is hair, and this is Snayu. Snayu is all veins. So there are 900 veins in our body. All these 9 are considered as 9 dhatu. But somebody tweaked the text and put it as Mani Dharan. Somebody tweaked my text and put it as Mani Dharan. It wasn't Mani Dharan, it was Dhatu Dharan. Now there are multiple type of people. Each is having a unique diet, but whatever they are consuming, it is forming ras. Then ras got processing, it becomes rakt. Rakt got processing, it becomes mas. Mas gets processing, then it becomes med. Med get processing, then it becomes asti. Asti progressing, get it majja. Majja progressing becomes shukr. So that's how the process was given in Ayurveda. Now Rom, Snayu and Nakh are byproducts. Byproducts of these 7 which have been generated. Does it make sense? This means I may consume anything, white color milk, white color malai, white color paneer. I can consume anything. It doesn't matter. It will get converted to red color blood only. I may consume green karela, green lauki, purple jamun, haldi yellow color, but I can eat whatever I want, but still it will make only red color blood. So that red color is the most essential part in the process. So when I realized that red color is color of blood, that means if I have to highlight someone as energy full or energy less, which color should be my benchmark?
Red.
Red color.
Red. Everyone agrees to it?
Yeah.
Yes.
But if you talk about people who are doing healing, they are putting green energy on your heart chakra. ठीक है? So why green? When red is the color of my heart, it holds the blood, it pumps it fast. Why green then? So those kind of ambiguities are fixed into my system so that using these healing modalities, I should not be able to cure everyone. And I'm here putting the term cure. Since we haven't researched, we haven't explored what is being given to us, we cannot use the term cure. If at all we research well, if we do it complete sampling on, let's say, 1,000 people, same approach, same everything, then we might be in a situation to say that we can reverse the disease pattern. Till the time we don't research, we cannot use the term cure. But during past, when this subject was perfectly researched, they have put everything into right brackets. Am I able to express myself? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I have a shortage of dhatu in me. What should be my remedy?
Take more dhatu.
That is fine. Eat more
Yep.
things containing dhatu. That's what you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Any other answer?
We will go for the ras rakt, whatever the process is, it will go back. Yeah, it will go there. As per the Western medicine or philosophy of medicine, you give the food and diet and lifestyle changes.
Okay. Actually, Rashmi ji and your mother are waiting. So let me take a 2 minutes break or 1 minute. Let me call Aarti. She's here. We'll finish up.
Mhm.
We'll finish up their healing, and then
Okay.
शक्ल क्यों नहीं दिख रही भाई?
नमस्कार.
अरे तुम लग गई. मेरा
नहीं,
फोटो ही
नहीं, ठीक है. क्लास चल रही है आपकी.
कहाँ मेरी
सही, आपका हीलिंग होगा, डोंट वरी. हाँ, बस
नहीं, मेरी नहीं चल रही.
चल रही है, आपकी चल रही है.
कहाँ चल रही है?
हम आपको देख सकते हैं.
नहीं, मैं तो नहीं देख रही ना किसी को भी. तुम्हें दिख रही हो, बस तुम दिख रही हो मेरे को. वो नहीं दिख रही, मैडम तो नहीं दिख रही.
वो अभी आएंगी, अभी आएंगी.
मेरे को मैं क्यों नहीं दिख रही? फिर से लगाऊं?
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं. वो
हाँ,
आपने
अब दिख गई, दिख गई, दिख गई.
हाँ.
दिख गई. तो क्लास कैसे चलेगी जब वो नहीं आएंगी तो?
आ रही है.
अच्छा, आ गई हो गई.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आरती जी, आप म्यूट हैं.
मेरे को पता नहीं चला, मैं तो ठीक लगाया था.
नहीं, आप सही हैं. Everything is
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Healing
Yeah.
request. Namaskar to everybody. Namaskar.
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार.
Ji. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, healing request.
मैं रश्मि सिंह हूँ। मेरी जो भी परेशानियां हैं मैं उनको दूर करना चाहती
Yes, ma'am. Done. क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन?
हूँ। ऑडिशन इज पॉजिटिव, अच्छा फील होता है।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
Anybody else with healing request?
जी
जी।
डॉक्टर आरती जी, विशाल जी, इनके ना नीज में काफी from a very long months, like it's a paining in the knee, and all the blood test has been done, everything is fine, but still the pain is there
राइट
in the right knee.
Or in the right knee, it's like on top of the knee, on lower side of the knee, or
साइड ऑफ द ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द नी
right side of the right knee, right?
यस दैट्स राइट
ठीक है, make a healing request stating your name and your discomfort to get healed for. और आप अपना अपना फेस फोकस में रखें। जी।
मेरा नाम विशाल शर्मा है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे जो भी हेल्थ और मेंटल इश्यूज हैं वो ठीक हो जाएं और मेरी नी का पेन भी ठीक हो जाए।
सो थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफाई, नी का पेन तो आपने मेरे को बता दिया, और हेल्थ मतलब मेंटल इश्यूज व्हेन यू आर सेइंग, सो
Yep.
उसके लिए मेरे को थोड़ा सा आप बताएंगे।
स्ट्रेस, काम का स्ट्रेस।
तो अभी आप थोड़ा स्ट्रेस्ड फील कर रहे हैं?
यस
ठीक है, आफ्टर 2 minutes ऑफ टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू कि कितना रिलैक्सेशन आपको दोनों एरियाज में हुआ, नी वाले एरिया में एंड आपका हेड रीजन। ठीक है,
ओके थैंक यू।
with closed eyes, legs uncrossed, feel the breath till navel and the energy flow towards your brain and right knee.
काट नहीं पा रही हूँ।
जी विशाल जी,
जी मैम,
how much is the relaxation?
relaxation is good up to 50% I'll say, और इस टाइम नी में बिल्कुल ठीक लग रही है।
मतलब नी में ठीक लग रही है तो दो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स पे हम बात कर रहे थे। हेड रीजन में यू आर फीलिंग 50% रिलैक्सेशन एंड नी रीजन में कितने परसेंट?
नी में I'll say at the moment 70%,
ओके,
70 plus even, yes.
थैंक यू। एब्जॉर्ब द एनर्जी, इट्स देयर विथ यू।
Thank you.
अभी और इंक्रीज होगा। ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर थोड़ा सेम पैटर्न पे ब्रीदिंग करते हुए, नोज टू नेवल, नेवल टू नोज।
Thank you. ठीक है जी।
फ्लो को अपना ब्रेन एंड द स्नी रीजन पे महसूस कीजिए। You have to
ठीक है जी।
put your attention on how much is the relaxation rather than on how much is left, right? जितना
अभी भी
जितना आप
एनर्जी
उसको
फील हो
absorb,
रही है।
अभी एनर्जी फील होएगी। अभी अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी ना नी पे कितना परसेंट है और रिलैक्सेशन, तो you'll report more. स्ट्रेस एरिया, आई मीन हेड रीजन पे, शोल्डर्स पे भी एनर्जी और एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया है। अभी अगर पूछूंगी तो अभी कितना है?
अभी नी में हल्की सी हलचल फील हो रही है, तो माइट बी इट्स रिकवरिंग और ठीक हो रही है ऐसा लग रहा है, लेकिन लाइट सी पेन हो रही है नी में।
नी में हो रही है उसी राइट साइड पे या कोई और डायरेक्शन?
हाँ जी, वहीं पे वहीं पे।
कोई बात नहीं, वो चली जाएगी। आप थोड़ा सा हलचल को महसूस और अच्छी तरह से करिए, फाइन ट्यूनिंग के साथ में, थोड़ा इसको
ठीक
डीप
है जी।
एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए, राइट? और हेड रीजन में आप
ठीक है।
कितना परसेंट लग रहा है?
काफी लग रहा है, I'll say 60।
ओके, एब्जॉर्ब, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
थैंक
यस, एनीबडी एल्स?
Can we do, ma'am?
यस यस यस, प्लीज।
He is my husband having some wrist pain since 3 days. Yeah.
Yes. Good evening, madam. Myself, Mayur. So I'm having this wrist pain, particularly I had an old injury, and now it appears that it's increasing day by day. I am using a lot of computer and mouse clicking, so probably this is the reason that it's paining. And I'm also having like stress headache and some strain in the eyes.
How long is your this injury?
So injury in last October. So it was recovered perfectly, and like since 3 to 4 days, again it's like acutely paining. So I'm just having this soft braces that I'm wearing all the day while I'm working.
Okay. Place a healing request stating your name and the things to heal for. Ma'am, please इनको थोड़ा फोकस में रखें,
Okay.
थोड़ा और आगे आ जाएं so that I can see you proper. Yes. जी. My name is so and so. Please heal me for my wrist pain. That's it.
Okay.
And the overall issues, whatever you are describing in terms of a statement. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So my name is Mayur. I am please heal me for my wrist pain, for stress, headache, and eye strain.
Wrist, which wrist? Right wrist, left wrist.
Right wrist.
Right wrist, yes. Ji Mayur ji. What is the relaxation?
Yes.
Feeling
How much
anything?
in eye region?
So I'm feeling bit relaxed in eye region and yeah, yes, little bit headache. Yeah, it's yeah good.
You know, bit is quite abstract, little bit, somewhat. So,
Um,
so be crisp in terms of your explanations. How
um,
much in terms of percentage?
so I would say like 30% or 30 to 40%. Yes.
And what about other, like your wrist?
Um,
How much?
yes. Yeah, I'm feeling quite better. Like 65 to 70%. I'm not feeling the pain which I usually feel when I move hand, like I'm stretching it. And yes.
Good. You can absorb it more and it can help you up till 100% also. But the only thing is you need to absorb it. Now tell me how much is the relaxation in head region and the eyes? It has increased the
Yes.
relaxation. Now how much is that?
So yeah, the head one is like it's increasing. Like yes, more relaxing. Yes.
How much at this point of time? It will keep on increasing, but at this
Okay.
time, how much is the
I'd say
relaxation?
like around 40%. Yes.
And eyes?
Yeah, eyes is also the same, like 40 to 45. Yes.
Right. Absorb it. Thank you so very much.
Thank
And
you.
I'm handing over to Dr. Shukla.
मदर का भी करेंगे अभी?
Yes, ma'am, if she's available, I can do it right
She
now.
already put the request. I think just need to be taken.
If she is present, no, she is not.
She has put. Mami, तुमने on कर दिया? She's saying it's on the hold. Oh. नहीं on नहीं, तुमने वो पासवर्ड डाल के कर दिया? तो बुलाओ भाभी को.
Anybody else with a healing request?
Yeah, it's open now. Yeah.
नमस्कार जी.
नमस्कार नमस्कार.
जी जी बताएं क्या कैसी तबीयत?
बस इस समय हिप में बड़ा दर्द हो रहा है
हिप में? ओके.
और अब तो मैं खड़ी हो रही तो नीचे एड़ी से लेके और घुटना तक एकदम करंट सा मारता खड़ा.
दोनों पाँव में या एक पाँव में?
पहले तो एक में लग रहा था.
हाँ.
अभी खड़ी हुई बाथरूम हो गई तो अभी दोनों में दूसरे में लग रहा है.
ठीक है. हीलिंग रिक्वेस्ट.
ठीक रखा है.
हाँ जी ठीक है. आप हीलिंग रिक्वेस्ट दें.
मेरा नाम त्रिभुवनेश्वरी देवी होता है. मेरी कमर से लेके मेरे पैरों तक झिल्ली चल रही है. मुझे प्रार्थना स्वीकार करना चाहिए. यही एक अच्छी बात है.
जी डन। क्या फर्क है? हाँ जी,
हो रहा है इसी यहाँ नीचे जो टिप जो है बिल्कुल यहाँ ये हड्डी सी है, इसमें से टीस वो हड्डी, अब वो टीस एकदम शांत नहीं हो रही है।
अपनी ब्रीदिंग पे फोकस रखो।
ऐसे पहले कमर में neck में-
हिलने का नहीं, बोलने का नहीं।
अभी जी माता जी, अभी क्या फर्क है?
होगा शांत, अभी तो चल रहा है
ओके,
धीरे धीरे, जैसे कमर का काफी देर में हुआ था और ऐसे ही पता चले।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। वैसे आपका आपका ये जो हीलिंग सेशन हो चुका है,
अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा था घुटना तक सारे में तनाव लग रहा।
अभी फर्क लग रहा है थोड़ा सा?
हाँ वो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है।
चलो अब आप अपनी एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब करो, रिलैक्स करो।
ठीक है, थैंक यू जी,
थैंक यू भारती।
थैंक यू। सो एनीबडी एल्स?
अपना कंप्यूटर बंद कर सकती हो मम्मी। बंद करो।
कर देंगे, चलो
चलो कोई नहीं, ओके सो
कर लो। बहुत अच्छा।
एक सेकेंड।
अभी बंद नहीं हुआ। अभी बंद नहीं हुआ, उसको स्क्रीन बंद कर दो ना।
कर
स्क्रीन बंद
दूंगी,
कर दो।
कर दूंगी, कर दूंगी, कर दूंगी। मैंने वो नेट चैन लगता है।
हमारी क्लास होने वाली है ना। थैंक यू डॉक्टर।
नो प्रॉब्लम्स जी। सो now Payal ji, a
Yes,
simple
sir.
point to remember.
Hmm.
Wrist is what alphabet? Ka, kha, ga.
G.
Shreem,
Hmm.
shreem, gum, shreem.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So when you do shreem, gum, shreem continuously, the pain in the wrist reduces.
Okay, yeah. I was just talking about that with my husband. That alphabet you have to chant with Shrim.
So not only theory, the practical is very, very loud and clear.
Yes.
Now, a simple exercise to remember how exactly these alphabets improve my pain problem situation. So I've created a small meditation. So there are 3 Bij mantras: Lakshmi, Tuamshri, and Tamshi.
Mhm.
So I'll write it like La, Ksha, Ma, Ya, Ha, Ta, Va, Ma, Ksha, Ra, Ya, Ha.
We can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen. Ek second. But this is the same what. Nobody can see my screen.
I can see, sir. I can see.
I can see.
So is it this Lakshmi, Twamshri, Tamshi, these Bij mantra which I have written? Are you able to see that or not?
Yes. Yes, we can
आप
see.
अपनी स्क्रीन थोड़ा स्वाइप कर लो फिर दिख जाएगा.
मेरे
You
को
don't
show
have
नहीं।
to see us. नहीं नहीं सर आप नहीं. शोभा जी आप अपने जो जहाँ पे the videos you are seeing just swipe it to your right and then you can see the screen.
Okay. I can see all the screen except his written screen. I can see all of you. I think something has changed.
No, you have to swipe the screen. So first is the screen and then the other videos.
I think I have moved something. Okay, I will remove, go out and do it again. Out of the screen, maybe. This is chat.
You don't have to go out, Shobha ji. There are 3 screens on Zoom. You
Mhm.
swipe to your right side. Where you're seeing us, swipe it.
Top one.
You might the go to the right side, not left. If you go to left, you'll only see us. Go to right.
No, it's not moving. No.
It's
That's
not
what I
moving.
was-
Can you see 3 dots down below?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so if you try to swipe it, then you can see, or probably on your side it might be left. Try doing that.
Oh,
Because
oh,
on the
I think-
second dot, you can see the
I think
screen very much.
I will quickly get out and come
Yeah,
again. That will be
okay, yeah.
easier.
Yeah, no, I'll go.
Sir, this second letter after la is not clear.
Sha and
Yes.
Ksha.
Can you write this one again?
This is Sha and Ksha.
Okay.
La, Sha, Ksha, Ma, Ya, Ha, Ta, Va, Ma, Ksha, Ra, Ya, Ha, Ta, Ma, Ksha, Ya, Ha.
After this second one is bha or ma?
Ma.
No.
Ma.
I'm trying to add Shobhaji, it is not happening. What is happening today? Who is iPhone 57? No, dear. Okay. So now I have written 3 Bij mantras here. Lakshmi Twamshri Tamshi. Lakshamayah Tavamaksha Rayah Tamakshayah. So likewise.
Can you write them in the white space?
Sorry?
Can you write the mantra again in the white space?
Okay, एक second. Lakshmi Twamshri Tamshi. Now when I write it like this, I can break it into smaller parts by all the alphabets and in what all orders it is coming. La, Ksha, Ksha, Ma, Ya, Ha. Ta, Va, Ma, Ksha, Ra, Ya, Ha. Ta, Ma, Ksha, Ya, Ha. So now what all you have to do is close your eyes, focus on your deep breath, put the attention of soul seed from nose to navel, navel to nose, and I'll just try to chant this. You have to just observe yourself, each of the 9 chakras you hold. You just simply have to observe what all is happening inside you. And don't worry, I'll share the written version and also I'll share that in the group. Don't worry on writing. So just draw a line between your 2 ears, behind the nose, above palate, below Brahmarandra. Observe your breath. Lakshmi Twamshri Tamshi. Lakshmi Twamshri Tamshi. Lakshmi Twamshri Tamshi. Lakshamayaha Tavamaksharayah Tamakshayaha Lakshamayaha Tavamaksharayah Tamakshayaha Lakshamayaha Tavamaksharayah Tamakshayaha Lakshamayaha 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 Tavamaksharayah 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 Tamakshayah 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 Lakshamayaha Tavamaksharayah तमक्षयः लक्षमयः तवमक्षरयः तमक्षयः ललक्षक्षममययः ततवमक्षरययः ततमक्षक्ष ययः ललक्षक्षममययः ततवमक्षरययः ततमक्षययः लक्षमयः तव मक्षरयः तमक्षयः लक्षमयः तव मक्षरयः तमक्षयः लक्षमयः तवमक्षरयः तमक्षयः लक्ष्मी त्वं श्री तं श्री 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 लक्ष्मी लं लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी क्षं लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी मम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी यम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी हम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी तम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी वम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी मम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी क्षम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी रम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी यम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी हम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी तम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी मम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी शम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी यम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी हम लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी त्वं श्री लं त्वं श्री क्षं त्वं श्री मम त्वं श्री यम त्वं श्री हम त्वं श्री तम त्वं श्री वम त्वं श्री मम त्वं श्री क्षं त्वं श्री रम त्वं श्री यम त्वं श्री हम त्वं श्री तम त्वं श्री मम त्वं श्री शम त्वं श्री यम त्वं श्री हम त्वं श्री तमशीलं तमशी क्षम तमशी मम तमशी यम तमशी हम तमशी तम तमशी वम तमशी मम तमशी क्षम तमशी रम तमशी यम तमशी हम तमशी तम तमशी मम तमशी क्षम तमशी यम तमशी हम तमशी जी So what is the feedback?
Palpitations.
Palpitation is a negative term. Palpitation.
I mean, feeling somewhere in the up. Palpitation may be the wrong word I used, but feeling something in the that crown chakra, top.
Okay. Any other words?
मेरे को अलग अलग फील हुआ।
जी
पहले मेरे को लगा कि मेरी जो ब्रीदिंग है वो स्पीड पकड़ रही है। फिर उसके बाद एक सेकंड जो सेंसेशन फील हुई, लाइक माय एनर्जी नॉट I don't know what energy, but something was going out from my right side.
Mhm.
ऐसे उधर जा रहा था, फिर मुझे थोड़ा ठंड लगा, फिर रिलैक्सेशन होना शुरू हुआ।
Mhm.
फिर एक दो जगह पेन आया जो शायद प्रॉब्लम कहीं होगा डीप में, व्हिच आई इग्नोर इन नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ, पर अब नहीं लगा मुझे।
Perfect. Okay. Ji, Anu ji, what did you feel?
In the starting, I was feeling like goosebump when you feel, but it's not a goosebump. In the starting, it was starting off like that, and then I started feeling in the Agya Chakra and Mooladhara Chakra, something was there, and then like I was getting the healing or something you can say, and I can feel the energy around those chakra.
Okay.
I
And
was not feeling completely like goosebump, but it was like starting of the like goosebump.
see, it is a different kind of a experience. So I don't expect perfect words, but yes,
Yeah.
I'm just observing, is there a different change being observed when I chanted these alphabets in a particular order? I haven't
Yes.
changed the order. Why I haven't changed? I'll explain a little later. G,
Okay.
and what's your feedback?
At the start, doctor, it felt like little vibrations going different parts of my body. And then towards the end, I could feel like a heat more on the top of my head.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Payal ji?
मुझे एक्सेसिव सलाइवेशन महसूस हुआ, अभी तक हो रहा है ऐसे, और रिलैक्सेशन तो था ही, और मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा सोर थ्रोट जैसा आज सुबह से लग रहा था, उसमें मुझे अभी सिर्फ 10% ही फील हो रहा है, बाकी पूरा ऐसा
90%
रिलैक्स हो गया।
subside कर गया.
यस यस
Now, what I have done in the process is there were 9 dhatu, ha, ya, va, ra, la, sha, sa, athhavle wala la, and ksha. So these 9 dhatus I chanted and I made a change in each one of you. When you chant these alphabets of the 9 dhatu, instantly the dhatu count starts replicating within your body. As a result, food is not a necessity for dhatu. The chant which we've done is sufficient to generate necessary energy levels each time. And if somebody is having a challenge in a particular chakra, because these 9 are ha, ya, va, ra, la are gross body 5 chakras: sky, air, fire, water, earth. So likewise, so when I observed that chanting of any mantra results in terms of improvising my dhatu count, subject to the condition I have sha and ksha in place. If any mantra is having sha and ksha, sha and sha in the combined form does cellular reproduction and power to do cellular reproduction. Ab let's suppose if somebody is anemic, then Shreem, Yam Shreem, or Lakshmi, Yam Lakshmi, or Twamshri, Yam Twamshri, things of that sort increase the red blood cell within us. And the person no longer remains an anemic. Am I able to express myself?
Yes, sir.
So why I was telling you the alphabets corresponding to my body was with this very reason only, that we can reverse a situation. Now Shobhaji's mother is continuously worshipping, but still she is in pain. She wants to.
She does a lot of puja, yeah, every day. A lot of work.
Ma'am, I've seen everybody who's doing lot of worship, there is serious health issue and wealth issue. I've seen so many people. So my
Why
research is
so?
because of that fact only. Please let me complete. I'm just trying, what I'm trying to infer here is,
Okay.
I have challenges of my health because these two alphabets which represent cellular reproduction are missing in my puja, in my mantras. So when I research ki if these two are missing, for example, when I chant yum, it will impact my blood count. Till what time it will impact my blood count? It will impact my blood count till the time I am chanting, it is impacting continuously. The moment I stop chanting, it will not impact me at all. So when I researched and identified this particular alphabet or a combination of alphabet is improving my cellular reproduction. Now, if somebody is treating for an infertility, adding these two alphabets, now Shreem, Sham, Shreem, Sham, Shreem. So when I add these two alphabets, prefix, suffix with Shreem, instantly the infertility starts improving and it gets converted after a particular point of time towards fertility. So these Sanskrit alphabets hold a miraculous key to health. But since it was purely a domain of worship, people didn't explore in terms of scientific reasons. When I saw people doing Reiki and pranic healing, I observed they are chanting Lam but putting earth element. They are chanting Vam in the Manipur chakra but putting it a sky element. So imagine a situation, Anuji.
Yes, sir.
No, not you, near you, next to you. Who is sitting? Payalji.
Yes, sir.
No, not Payalji. I am talking about Anne. Each time I'm doing this activity, I'm actually creating a confusion. I'm calling you Anuji, but I'm addressing Payalji. When I'm calling Payalji, I'm addressing Anne. How the attention will get connected? Attention will never get connected. That's what the fallacy is happening in our worship and all this aspect. Somebody tweaked the basic alphabet and the correlation of the body part. The moment I researched and corrected it, instantly there are results. Now what I'm trying to prove here is, if I chanted these alphabets, instantly these alphabets, they are there in your lobe region. The moment your lobe start vibrating, there is an energy happening inside the head region. When I did it for a deeper reason, the energy is in the neck region. When I did it even more deeper, the energy transformed to below neck region. When I chanted it for all the more deeper and deeper continuous for 30-40 minutes of chanting, when I've done, I've seen people forgetting about gross subtle cause, but they were not having any sensation at all. It was pure and pure something immersed in energy. Am I able to express myself?
Yes, sir.
So when I research on this aspect, how can I transform each and every part of my energy? There was an alphabetical correlation for it. How many of you are aware about Khulja, Simsim, Alibaba and 40 Thieves? So there is a particular code. That code was like Khul, Ja, Sim, Sim. Khul one time, Ja one time, Sim one time, Sim two time. Khul, Ja, Sim, Sim. Till the time it is not put in that syntax order, the door won't open. On the same lines, till the time I don't put this syntax of Shreem before and Shreem after. That is kind of a bracket submission which is put here, and the moment we trigger it, that particular door only opens. So when I chanted in a format, lum, mum, yum, hum, tum, vum, mum, instantly it was impacting inside me. But in terms of cellular reproduction, the moment I said lum, shum, instantly that lum start vibrating. Which means that my whole body understands this language perfectly. But again, the people who owns this language are not speaking this language at all. As a result, it is the easiest remedy to make myself healthy. Am I able to express myself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving forward. Post dhatu, it is Mangal. Mangal is chanting for everybody's health and prosperity. So in every religion, in every community, there are songs which are only meant at the time of auspicious activities. Only that time we chant them. And we call it Mangal Gan. But when we do Mangal Gan, it is again similar in terms of putting Bij mantras in the process and singing it again and again. The next part is Narayan Bali. Narayan Bali is the death ritual in which pind is offered to water for salvation of the soul. But again, Narayan Bali is also a lost science today. I rarely know any people who know about Narayan Bali. So when there are spirited energies to resolve issues of spirit, now important question is, how would you identify that the person is suffering from a spirited energy point of view? How would you identify that? Any guesses? Okay. Other
Life challenges may be going on.
than life challenges with spirited energy? No. I'm saying if there is a patient sitting in front of you, how would you know that the person is suffering from spirited energy? Okay. Now Shobhaji won't answer. I'll put a situation and I'll ask you a simple question. What is the measurement of time in our body?
Aging.
What is the measurement? How would you know that one body part is connected with time? What denotes time in our body? This is a simple question.
Dincharya. Sorry.
मैंने इसीलिए पहले I made it a
Sleep
condition in the
pattern.
first place. I made a condition in the first place that Shobhaji won't answer this question. Now anybody can answer except her.
Sleep pattern.
Sleep pattern. Okay. No, very close.
Age of body.
I'm saying time. How do you associate, which body part you associate with time? Okay,
Skin.
let me not put more time on this. Eyes.
Eyes, yeah.
Because eyes
Blinking.
is a constant phenomena, exactly like a watch. The way watch seconds keep on moving on the same lines, my eyes are constantly blinking. It is a constant process. Now, if somebody is observed for blinking eyes fast, or if somebody is, एक second. So if somebody comes to my clinic and he or she is blinking eyes in a very slow manner or in a very fast manner, that means that person is having spirited energy. Problem connecting spirited energy. And are you with me?
I'm still confused about the spirited energy.
Okay. There is a recent movie, Sitare Zameen Pe, in India, of Amir Khan. There was a basketball team and they used handicapped people for that basketball team. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if you look at the faces of all those children, there was a resemblance, there was a pattern, common pattern. That's one kind of a spirited disease which happens, which retards the body, but it standardizes the features of the face typically. If you look at a lunatic person, lunatic, he is opening and closing the eyes very slowly compared to a normal human being. If you look at an autistic child, he is either opening, closing fast, or he is opening, closing so slow. Those are the diseases of time element, Lambikagra Chakra. So, to diagnose that somebody is having spirited energy, it is not necessary that you should be a tantric to know that part. That's not required. There are body parts, there are functions, and there is an approach which a doctor can diagnose instantly. So time is the factor for it. Now, if somebody is having a speech disorder, which is normally a condition of the autistic children, what needs to be corrected is Lambikagra Chakra. How it needs to be corrected? There are approaches to it. But before putting those approaches, what is suggested is Narayan Bali. Now, Narayan Bali is described in, there is a Puran called Garud Puran. So, Garud Puran deals with diseases which are pertaining to the karmic cycles only. So, and it is a very simple puja, time taking 6 to 7 hours, but instantly give results. And it happens just because we haven't performed last rites completely of a person. The 10th part is Uphar. What is mean by Uphar?
A gift.
Upahar is a gift. But in the reference to Atma, what is a gift?
Body.
In the reference to
Knowledge.
Atma, what is a gift?
Knowledge.
Feeding the body.
Okay.
Feeding the body at a necessary time frame and of good quality. So my soul already gifted me a body, but if I offer good food to it, pure food to it at the right time, it is considered to be a gift. But now, important part is that I am putting this gift to others. I am offering food to others. Now, who all are others? Insect, birds, elephants, animals, dogs. Anybody other than you yourself. So, Upahar is something which you identify, define, that you are concerned about the ecosystem. You are moving out and you find children who are not having books to read. You are giving them books to read. Feeding them with good content. Spending time with them. All that falls in the category of Upahar. Fine. So here we tried to cover out of 16, some 10 objects today. We'll do again tomorrow or whatever the time convenience allow. But my stress is always understand this subject only with reference to Atma. If you are not observing Atma, you will never be able to address cases of having problems in past life, having problems in the karmic cycles, having chronic, ultra chronic diseases. Then there is no behavior pattern why the person is suffering. You must have seen a disease where half of the face is a little melted. Eyes, ears, everything is melted. So that is something to do with the past life karma. It can never be cured. But if you perform Narayan Bali, it will not deteriorate to further. Ji, please.
Sir, should we done it one time or you have to do it every year or something?
No,
Narayan Bali.
Narayan Bali for the family is performed only once. For anybody, you can perform as many times as you want for a year.
Okay, okay.
So when the Narayan Bali is done, it says 5 generations or 7 generations of the husband, 5 generation and 7 generation of the wife, 5 generation of this 7 generation of the mother, from both the parent side. So that's how the Pandit, the Brahmin who performs this puja, always defines this part. So there is a book to it. I can share whenever you plan to do it. I can share that book. You can speak with the Pandit and you can perform it there. So that's not. The only thing which is required for performing a Narayan Bali is near a water body. So in Australia, you can do anywhere you want.
Yeah. It is everywhere. Water is everywhere.
Water is everywhere.
But this is salt water.
Salt water is even better. Why it is even better? Because in terms of cleaning, salt is the most necessary element which is required. So when you don't have any medicine to prescribe the patient so ye apna sea water bath.
Swimming in the ocean.
So likewise, we are trying to connect the dots so that each and every disease pattern at length we can transform. So now if I have to design a prescription format, I'll put 16 elements of Daivyapashray Chikitsa, 2 elements of Yukti Vyapashray Chikitsa, and 1 element of Sattvavajay Chikitsa. That's how I'll put 16 plus 2, 18, and 1, 19. So minimum 19 things need to be defined for each and every disease. So when we started the classes, I shared a document in the group with the name DVC. It is primarily to do with it. We need to create that document completely because that's a ChatGPT document. So we need to correct in terms of what all needs to be changed. Am I able to express myself? Right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Right, Ji. So thank you so very much for
There
your
is
time.
one question.
Please go ahead.
When you say that, like initially we did like the color is this for this disease and this, the color is to be used or not to be used?
Everything is meant for application only. Otherwise, why should I
Okay.
shared for it?
Okay. So like for some disease, skin cancer or something, is
So I'll cover each and everything. I'll
okay.
cover
I'll
that
later on.
document. But first of all, I'm making all of you understand what is those 16 elements mean.
Yep.
So if I instantly start the practical part, well, there will be a serious disconnect between theory and practical.
Fine.
My responsibility to create a process so that you practically start using Daivyapashray Chikitsa. And whenever any one of you goes to India, say we are constantly using Daivyapashray Chikitsa. Are you not aware about this? They'll say, oh, I'm aware there is Mani, Dhatu and all that part. Then you'll say, no, this is not the right approach. And they will listen to you because you are coming from Australia and giving them lecture. When I'm sitting here in India, they won't listen to me. Because they feel, how can a person tell me something pertinent to mantras? I'm from such a divine clan. I am a Brahmin. I'm Brahmin of that sort. I am in connection with Shiv Yogi and other divine gurus. So that became an element of ego, not knowledge.
Quite a lot everywhere.
Deepak Chopra made Ayurveda famous in US, and then people started believing.
So what I'm trying to say is the West might create images who are not connected to their roots. Somebody challenged me in my subject domain. I said, yes, I am a Hindu, I am a Brahmin, I am a so-called from the highest clan, and still I don't know anything. It's better for me to start reading from scratch. So I did my master in Sanskrit, then PhD in Sanskrit, then started reading all my scriptures. Oh, acha, that is the situation. That's the reason I was not able to connect, because I'm putting my ego into knowledge. So the moment I removed my ego and started connecting the dots, everything was very meaningfully connected. ठीक है जी? So
yeah, that's why we are here, because we have no idea. Either zero. So that's why we are at least learn something.
no, thank you so very much for your precious
Absolutely,
time
yeah,
and energy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Ji.
sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you. It's an eye opener.
Yeah,
Thank
it
you
is.
very much.
कि हमें क्या नहीं पता है.
This point we'll
A
cover
lot.
tomorrow. This point we'll cover tomorrow. Right.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Have a
Thank
good
you,
evening,
Ji.
everyone.
Right, right,
Bye.
right.
Same to you. Thank you, Doctor. Good evening.